Hello friends, today we are going to check a diode. It has two sides. One is A means anode and the second one is where we can see a silver line is cathode denoted by K. Now check the multimeter settings. I have adjusted the knob at diode range and meter is switched on. This is a diode. This one is anode side, this one is cathode side. Now I am going to put my red wire at anode and black wire at cathode terminal of diode. The meter is showing some reading. And now I am going to reverse the wires. Now my black wire is at anode and red wire is at cathode. Meter is showing no reading, means our diode is 100% okay. Now watch it again. Red wire at anode and black wire at cathode. The meter is showing some value, and when I reverse the probes there is no value, means diode is okay. If a diode shows value from both sides, it is short, means faulty, and if a diode does not show value from any side, it is called open, means faulty.